Now here's something you'll see on YouTube fairly frequently. Does it work to defog the Air Max, or excuse me, any Nike Air Bubble or any bubble for that matter, with a hairdryer? Let's find out. Now they say that you should stay a couple inches away, and that this can actually melt the glue. So I don't recommend this, you know, or do it, whatever. It's just a shoe. Who cares? All right, man, look at that. It makes me feel terrible about taking these apart. They almost look like new bottoms. Let's turn it over. Buyer beware. Everywhere that I've read say that this fix only lasts for a few days to maybe a few weeks. Boom, look at the other side, completely opaque. This side, it's like, man, they look good. It is really too bad that I'll be having to chuck these in the bin or doing a soul transplant. All right, y'all, thanks for watching, and I hope you found this to be destructively unuseful. Cheers.